Hello, AJ. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone, and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly, and then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Sunshine Contracting Corp homepage. And so I can see that you guys have spent some time and or some money into this. The site looks pretty good. I can see you guys also have a video, which is great. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of original content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content. And so these right here, the testimonials or the blog, these could be found on other pages. So this would actually be considered duplicate content. So you want to make sure that you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of original content. And you want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. Now, in addition to having enough original content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and we can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is Alexandria VA roof replacement. This keyword brings in 720 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of these into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Now, Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also great when you want to take advantage of a hot market or you want to promote a special event or a special offer that you have going on. Now, beneath the Google Ads, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. Now, in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here, or any other businesses that are ranking in the map pack in areas that you serve. Now be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. Now this should be the main area of focus. It is going to be the best long-term ROI. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. Backlink being just a clickable text from one website to another, basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. And so over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so here I can see that you have 17,000 backlinks from 1,730 domains, and you are ranking organically for 12,427 keywords. So here I'm going to take a look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. Here it will list all the different keywords you're ranking for, what position you hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings you, and how many people search for that keyword every single month. And so you can go through and you want to focus for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Something like rake boards, someone is probably not looking for a service of any kind. And the location specific keywords are always going to have a really strong buyer's intent. And so this is organized in the amount of traffic, so the farther down we go, the lower you are likely to rank. but you have a lot of different keywords to go through. There's 93 pages, but you could take the time to go through and see which keywords are bringing you the best results, which ones you want to focus on more, which ones you want to focus on less. A lot of times it's better to focus on a couple hundred really good keywords rather than trying to get all the keywords at one time. And you want to make sure that you're going for the best keywords that you can. And so here, like I said, the location specific keywords are good. So I'm just going to type in VA and see what pops up. So here we have a few different ones. And so it looks like you're ranking anywhere from the middle of the first page to the bottom of the first page. The keyword we were just looking up near number 19. So I would suggest going through and making sure that you are targeting the best keywords that have the best buyer's intent and bring in the most volume. But now I'm going to go back and do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to the backlinks. And so you don't want to just beat out your competitors with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you have quite a few backlinks, which is good, but you want to go through and make sure that all of these backlinks are quality. So we can see right here, I see a lot of no follow backlinks. And see, these don't actually hurt your site, but they don't actually count for anything. So you want to go through and make sure that you have a lot of do follow backlinks. And you also want to make sure these sites have a high AS authority score. And you also want to make sure that they're all from relevant sites. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some can actually hurt your site more than help. But I think that you can start to bring in more high quality traffic if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about into your online marketing plan. Actually, it would be 4 things. Number 1 would be more quality educational content and figuring out which keywords you want to focus on. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. Number 3, I would maybe suggest going for Google Ads since you already have a strong backlink profile and you are ranking decently well for some keywords. Why not add on ads? And then last but not least, you want to go through your backlink profile and make sure that all your backlinks are from high-powered relevant sites. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.